So friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your pan after making most of the Christmas sweets. It does become difficult to scrub the pan if you're making guava cheese or Perad, or if you're making Chana Doce. All of this does tend to get really stuck onto the pan and it becomes very difficult to clean it. So even if you're making marzipans or you're making, the marzipan fruit that I've shown, all these recipes are there on my channel. And or even if you're making milk cream, so all of this, we have to keep stirring till it thickens up and leaves the sides of the vessel. But as you can see now, it really gets stuck to the side of the vessel, and by just trying to wash it with soap and water, it doesn't go. So my trick over here is I add water to the pan, keep it on a high flame, and when the water is warm, you can just scrape it off, using any kind of a spoon or a spatula, and it comes off very very easily. So your water has to be nice and hot, so then keep the water on the flame on a high flame, and let the water start heating up, and then you just keep scraping it out, and then just pour out the water into your sink, and then just wash it regularly like you would with soap and water. So you can see over here I've got all of that. I was making milk cream and I got all of that paste out, and then wash it with soap and water, and then wipe it clean, and it's all ready to use for your next Christmas recipe. So I thought I'd really share this with you, because many of you after making those sweets might be really struggling with cleaning up your pots and pans. So I hope this video was helpful, guys.
Friends, I hope you liked today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.